Hi. I know a lot of you are out there probably shopping, and it's the time of the year where everyone is, tired and burned out, and they just don't want to hear anything about planning for the next year. However, you might want to start planning for next year, 2025. It's right now, you don't have a whole lot of time, so right now is the best time to start planning for the upcoming year. Yes, this video I will have a special announcement that I'm excited to announce. But before I get to that, we're going to talk about your plans for 2025. What are your plans? What are you planning on doing? Are you planning on buying a house? Are you planning on buying a new car? You sending your kids to college? You want to pay off some debt? You want to get your credit fixed? What is it that you're going to do for next year? Do you want to travel more? Do you want to go visit some family and friends, but you low on funds? We've all been there at some point in time in our life, and it's okay. It's very much okay. So, uh, 3 years ago, I signed up for this financial success company, personal finance company. And with the personal financial success company, it sets your personal life up for the future, for success. That's what it does. So when you sign up, not only will you get the exclusive program that empowers you with proven strategies for tax saving, credit repair, debt elimination, investment education. So you want to invest, but you don't know what to invest in or how to invest or what, the steps of investment are. We have those type of trainings, and we have people and leaders that will help you and guide you on how to begin that investment journey, which can be very rewarding over time for you and your family. So this program will offer access for that. Also, plus you'll gain access to personalized e-commerce platform to grow your income. Take advantage of this limited time offer and make this season to start your financial success. 3 years ago, I came in and I think this program was like $80 when we got started. So I've sat on this business, this opportunity for the first 2 years once I signed up. I was like, okay, I'm gonna get to it at some point. I know I wanted to save on my travel, so that's why I got the business option. I wanted to begin to repair my credit. I've done it once before, and I wanted to do it again, but this time I want to completely clean and get rid of stuff, and I want to fix it. And this program offers letters. They offer expert help trainings weekly to help guide you on how to rebuild your credit, rebuild your financial health, because not being financial healthy is not good overall for your life. It's not. Your stress levels are high because you in debt, and families are splitting up because of financial problems. It's not cool. 2025, we want to start you on the right path, and now is that time to get you started. Okay. The holiday special, the holiday special, which is a financial success membership promotion. And with this promotion, it's the ultimate tool for transforming your finances and your for the holidays. And the price that you can get started today, you get to test drive it for 30 days. If you don't like it, then you can cancel. You can cancel. But to get started, because the regular price is $39.95, but we have slashed the price for the holidays now for less than $10 for $9.95. You can get started today. $9.95. Like, can you believe that? For $10, you can start with all of these tools and things that they have for you to get started with this program. I'm super excited. I wish it was $10 when I got started, but it's cool. It's cool. So For $9.95, you can get started today. If you want to sign up, I will have the link in the description. You can go ahead and click that link. It'll take you directly to the sign up page, and you just put your information in, watch the videos, start learning, start growing. This is just a wonderful time to get started on your finances. No matter what the economy is doing outside, you don't have to worry about that. Right now, I care about your success. I care about you, your household, your family. If nobody ever told you that they care, I care. Because when one person wins, we all win, okay? I want to see you successful. I really, really do. People always say the government don't care about us, the government this and that, but listen, you care about yourself. You gotta want this. Okay, nobody not gonna want it for you. You gotta want it for you. I've seen this program change lives. I've seen it change lives, elevated bank accounts. You can do this. Increase your cash flow, correct your W-4. You can do all this with this program. And with this program, you will receive an affiliate link. And with the affiliate link, you simply just share it with your family and your friends. You share it through your text messages, email. You can share it on social media, and you will receive commission, which are paid out every week. Every Friday, commissions are paid out every week. So you can make money every day, and you can get paid every Friday. You don't have to quit your 9 to 5. I'm not telling you to do that. You don't have to quit your 9 to 5. But with this, you can do along with your 9 to 5, because I also work a 9 to 5 and I have another, business on the side outside of this. But you can do this. You really can do this. And if you would like to turn this into a side hustle, a business for you, there's also the business option. And with the business option, it helps you elevate quicker. With your money income, you can get more money with that. So if you're interested with the business option, comment below or click the link and send me an email. We can talk about it, and I can send you that information as well, so you can get started with the business. But for $9.95 for this holiday special, get in on it now while it's $9.95, because I do not know when the price is going to go back to $39.95. I do not know. So right now, while it's less than $10, $9.95, please get started today. Get started now. Now is the time to get started. Don't think about it. Just do it. If you can spare the $9.95, test it out for 30 days. You will get your money back, okay? $9.95. Go ahead, get started. Click the link. If you need help, assistance, please click the link below. Comment below. Send me a message. We could talk about anything you need to talk about. I can explain anything to you. Answer questions, please. $9.95, you're not going to beat this deal right now. $9.95. Get in while you can, because who knows, in a few days, next week, the price might change back to $39.95. So while it's hot, $9.95, get started today. Okay, my name is Be Successful. Thank you for tuning into this video. If you haven't checked out any of my other videos about financial success, the company, what we stand for, what we offer, the products, now at the time you can go ahead, check out my other videos. Thank you for watching. My name is Be Successful. Thank you, and happy holidays, everybody.